Breaking news now on 13 on your side.
And we are following several breaking news stories as we come on the air tonight.
We begin in Lansing. The State Board of Canvassers has rejected a proposal to put Michigan's abortion law on the November ballot. 13 on your side's Keely Lovern is in Lansing with what happened today and why this isn't the last word.
After several hours of public comment, discussions from attorneys, and questions from the board, they were eventually deadlocked 2-2. The initiative, if passed by voters, if it makes it to the ballot in November, would affirm abortion rights in the Constitution and nullify the state's 1931 abortion law, which bans abortion in all cases except when it's performed to save the life of the mother. Enforcement of the law remains blocked as courts battle over whether there is already a right to abortion in the state constitution. Several people addressed the board today, some against it, others for it, sharing their own personal experiences.
You never know what's going to happen. I think it's always a good thing when people speak their mind. That's what it's all about. And so that's why I guess that's what we're really asking for. People who've spoken, and the rules are clear, the requirements are clear, so let's let those folks have their say on reproductive rights in November.
The deadlock officially means that the initiative was rejected, but a final decision would most likely come from the Michigan Supreme Court. Now, groups have 7 business days following today's decision to appeal to the High Court, and the ballot must be finalized by September 9th. Reporting in Lansing, Keely Lovern, 13 on your side.
Experts suggest no matter what happens to the ballot proposal, the abortion issue will likely drive a voter turnout in November.
People on both sides of the issue will likely turn out in large numbers. And 13 on your side's Charlie Tinker joins us with what he's hearing from experts. Charlie.
Hey guys, for one, heavy ad spending across the board, local, state, national races. That is the expert take, and we've really already got that. If you look at the biggest race potentially in this state, the stark contrast we're seeing between Whitmer and Dixon, really playing that up and pouring money into those ads to do so. Now, our expert, a partner at PR firm Martin Waymeyer, does not see that turnout necessarily favoring one party over another. Recent polling shows around 60% of voters do support constitutional abortion protections. That's versus only 24% opposed. Do with that what you will, but potentially because of that, not just in Michigan, but nationally, we're seeing a number of high-profile, right-leaning candidates removing those stances from their messaging, their websites, just a few months ahead of Election Day.
Candidates that are going to be looking towards this is a huge assist in making sure all down the ballot that we're getting voters to turn out this November. But then on the GOP side, they know that there are some serious concerns, and the polling continues to indicate that the majority of voters are going to support it. So they're trying to distance themselves from their platform because this might not turn out the way they want it to.
All right, she highlighted the outcome in Kansas, for one, which really appeared to come as a surprise in an otherwise, very conservative state. In that case, Kansas voted to protect abortion rights by a wide margin there. Minicucci says that could very well be an indicator of how Michigan may approach November and this proposal, if it does make it onto the ballot, pending that potential court appeal come Election Day. Val?
Thank you, Charlie. Stay with 13 on your side as we continue to follow the abortion battle in Michigan. You can find extended coverage online at 13onyourside.com.